It's your boy at&t coming back to you guys with another video. Is topic of the iPhone 12. Basically, we're going to talk about the iPhone 12. What my thoughts, what I think about it. These are just leaks and leak specs. You know, I'm actually going to put the source where I got these specs from also in the description. In here on one of these panels, I'm gonna probably put on there when I pull it up, source, who it's from. But I'm liking what the new style of the iPhone 12 is going to be looking like. It actually give me that vibe of the iPhone 4. I think that's a 4. Yeah, 4. iPhone 4. And also, I want you guys to leave a comment below. Tell me, you guys, what iPhone that you felt was the best design model. To me, I liked the iPhone 4, even though it's a smaller screen, but back when then, that form factor of the bezels being around, it's like, you know, it was all like a MacBook Pro type of look, you know, around the bezels. These ones saying like, you know, I guess the regular just iPhone 12 would just be 60 hertz, and then I guess the max version would be 120 hertz screen. I would like to see it to go all bezel, you know, like pretty much like the Samsung phone, just all screen. And this probably have like something up top, but I would like to see that on a new iPhone. But the specs that they have on here and the price that they have is amazing. If these leaks, I'm pretty sure this guy got really good leaks, and if it's real, actually it'd be perfect phone. But one thing I was saying is, it'd be awesome if I could plug my iPhone up to like a monitor and use it like a MacBook Pro. Because one of these features on that I have on there, pretty much my MacBook Pro is almost running just like my iPhone with the apps. But one thing I do want to see in a new iPhone is, you know, bezel-less, you know, cameras. You'd be able to, because the cameras is always on there, like it's always perfect on that iPhone. That's just me saying it, you know. I know you've seen a couple videos that people posted with their iPhones. I feel like that's really good. You know, the picture quality is really good. Now, Samsung, they have really good qualities. There's 1+1. They have good quality screen pictures, but it all is in the resolution of the screen. That's basically why these cameras are looking so good also. But you tell me in the comment, like, you purchased the phone because of the camera? Do you purchase the phone because of the style of it? Do you purchase the camera? Do you purchase the phone because of the style, because of the look, or because of the, you know, design of it? To me, I'm more of like a looker. Like, I like the design of it. Also, I like camera styles, and I like to be able to game on it. Something I will be able to use in like real life, and also business use. Some of us probably don't use it for business use, but that's why I say like the iPhone like 11. Right now, those are perfect for people who just want to, you know, just normal phone, don't want all the high pitch and stuff, but still get that mid, you know, screen phone and shoot great quality with camera. That'd be perfect on it. But I'm gonna put these specs on here. You'll see that come across here with me talking. But you guys, I wanted to, you know, say, it's your boy at&t coming to you guys, and we're gonna get right into it with the video. I know we'll have the 120 hertz screen, and the regular just 12 is just going to have the 60 hertz. It's up to you, like which one you want to go to. I am going to try to purchase these phones so I can do an unboxing, first look. I know I'm going to be the person to be able to get this phone like right away, like other people be able to get it like, you know, before launch, you know, they'd be able to grab that phone. That's one thing I would not probably be able to do right off the rip, because I'm not up there yet into that tier to be able to grab these phones for that. But I am working hard to get these phones for you guys, get the reviews for you guys, especially in cars and everything else. So my goal is to get this phone for you guys and review it as a real consumer. Basically, because a normal consumer ain't gonna really buy this phone just because it's called iPhone. It's the uses of it, like why they need it. And the reason why they need it is because mostly probably about 80 to 90% of the people have the iPhone. And FaceTime, you know, with your grandparents or your parents or your kids or whatever, and you be able to track where your kids is and everything. And that's the main thing why the iPhone is so popular, because of the safety of it, and you know, that's one reason why I like it, is because of the safety of it. I could give it to my daughter or my kids or whatever, and they just basically, I could track them where they're going. I could, see what purchases they're doing, making sure they ain't getting into something they ain't supposed to get into, controlling it. And it's not all about the controlling. It's more like the safety of it. That's basically one thing I like about the iPhone. I have the iPhone right now. I have the iPhone 11, and I have the Pro, and I have the iPhone 7. No, iPhone 8, 8 Plus, the Samsung phone. So I am going to be doing a review on this phone. This is just a flip case, but I am going to be doing a review on this phone here. iPhone. This is the Samsung Ultra. You can tell by the camera. But I have the 11, just playing with it, just doing a little bit more, because this phone I feel like is really, really a really good budget phone for the price of it. I know they got the SE, but this phone is, the specs that the SE have is in the same phone. But I'd rather just go with this phone because of the screen size. It's right perfect, fit in your hands perfect. I'm not really a big person with my hands. Sorry, I'm gonna get it. So that's one thing I do love about the iPhone. But, and the Samsung wise, you can see it's a little bigger on the side, in my hands than it is with the iPhone 11. So, having the difference between them. So, like, this is going to be the Pro Max, and this is the iPhone 12. This is how, the screen is going to be. The bezels is not going to be as long. It's going to be shorter. And then you're going to have that, stainless steel type of thing around. That's sort of like the iPhone 4. I think I do have one of them iPhone 4s. I might try to pull it out when I do like another review, or I might just post it on my comment thing on my fan, part, my community part. So stay tuned for that. I'll be posting something on there. But you guys, just give me your thoughts, what you think about the phone. Would you like to purchase it? Because I might do a giveaway on this. I'm still doing a giveaway on the at&t. I didn't forget about anything. So if you are watching this and you're looking for the at&t part, I'm still doing a giveaway on that. So I'll be announcing the winner soon, because I'm going off the page from that last part I did with at&t, and I'm gonna go off there and pick the winner. And also, I am gonna be doing a giveaway on the iPhone. So when this phone is announcing and really gonna come out, then I'm gonna give a giveaway on that. But to me, what I feel about this phone is it's gonna be awesome, especially the leaks that I've seen. If they're gonna be like that, I feel like the phone is gonna be coming back to its credential of being that high-end tier phone that we seen back in 2004. I mean, not 2004, but the fourth version of it, where it had that stainless steel all the way around, and it just was glass back and front. I actually feel like that was a premium phone. It was actually good in the hands. I know it had I think it had antenna issues on that one, but they ended up fixing it. But this rounded part, on the phone and everything else like that on the newer iPhones. Now this phone feels really, really light. This phone is really, really light. That's what it feels like. It feels really light in the hand. Let's see if we get it off my face. But that is what you'll see on the phone. I'm playing with this version, because I am giving this to someone. I'm actually just playing with it, giving it a little more depth into it. If you want to see a review on this, tell me, hey, review on the iPhone 11. You want to see a review on this Ultra. I know there's going to be a note coming out, so I'll be stay tuned for that whole separate video. But like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment below. Let's give it a little talk about this new phone. And I can't believe it. This is going to be what it looked like. I'm actually going to be really amazed and really loving it, especially with the gigabytes starting at 128 gig. They should have did that a long time ago. 64 gig should have been out the door. But starting off at 128 gig actually is perfect. Perfect, because that's what you need to start off with and go up. But excuse me, like, subscribe, leave a comment below. It's your boy ICH3 Tech coming to you guys with another video, and I'm actually going to keep spitting more for you guys, so stay tuned. We are near going to 1,500 subscribers. Let's get over 5,000 subscribers. Let's keep it going. And I'll be doing another giveaway on that, so stay tuned for the person who's going to give a giveaway on this, on the Samsung part. I mean, it's AT&T TV. I will be sending a gift card, or I will be sending something to you, DM, telling you how you get your purchase for this. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. And see y'all in the next video. Peace.